this is the first time that I have ever recorded a video in my bedroom. This is my bedroom. This is where I sleep every single night. And the reason I'm recording in my bedroom is today I have a different type of video for you. I got a box in the mail, and this is where I'm going to be putting this anyway, so I figured I would just film the video up here. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. This is a box from StitchFix. And StitchFix is a subscription box that you can get online by going to stitchfix.com. And they have a personal stylist that will create a package for you, and you can get 5 items a month that someone kind of puts together for you. And for me, this is a good thing because I don't have a lot of style. I wear scrubs to work, I wear t-shirts and budget equestrian stuff when I get home, or horse t-shirts. So not a lot of styling going on there. So I wanted to give StitchFix a try and see if this would help my style for when I get to go out, like if my husband and I go out on a date or just whatever. Something that's not horse related and something that's not work related. So let's see what came in this StitchFix box. I'm so excited to see what is in here. So let's look. So first is a postage paid and already labeled bag to take to the post office, because whatever you don't like, you just put in this bag and ship it back to StitchFix. Ooh, what is this? That sounds like jewelry. I don't usually wear jewelry, so let's look at this first. So this is a Bancroft Sabina Link layered necklace. Ooh. Well, it's kind of pretty. It is a necklace. I kind of like that. I'm not a jewelry person, but that's really pretty. So the necklace is by Bancroft Sabina Link layered necklace, and this is $28. So, I don't know. We'll have to look at the other stuff too and see. They didn't send me any shoes this time. Last month was my first StitchFix box that I got, and they sent me some shoes, and they were really cute, but I didn't think I would wear them, so I sent them back. Okay, these are really, really cute jeans. Oh my gosh, those are really cute. And these jeans are Silver Jean Company Tuesday Low Rise Skinny Jean in size 12, because that's what I wear. Those are really nice. I really like those. Really like those. So next is a Claire embroidery detail top. It's off-white, size extra large. It's cute, but that top is $108. $108 for a top? Well, totally gonna have to try it on. It's really cute. It has embroidery all down the front, which is really pretty. It's got some little tassels, which is nice. And it is really, really cute, but I think that's just a little bit out of my price range. Okay, next is a Kaylee Jonesman one shoulder knit top in olive. Oh, and that's cute. That's kind of cute. The material feels really nice. And this top is $34. It's really pretty. And next is a Cloth and Stone Giorgino button-down shirt. And this one is $78. So, it's a cute little shirt. Again, that's a little bit expensive, but it is cute. So those are all of the clothes that I got from StitchFix. So now I think I'm going to have to try them on and see how everything looks and see what I'm going to keep. And that's one of the reasons that I really like StitchFix, because they want you to try them on, see how you like them, and then decide if you're going to buy them. So how StitchFix works is they charge you $20, it's a styling fee, and then they send you the package in the mail. You receive your package, and then you have 3 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. And then you can go online and choose what you want to keep, and then they charge you for that. And then you just send everything back that you're not going to keep in the bag. And if you love everything in your StitchFix box, then they really entice you to buy all of it, because they give you 20% off if you buy everything that comes in the box. So now that we've seen what's in the box, I want to try these things on and see what I like. I can tell you right now, I really like the jeans. I hope I like the jeans when they're on. We shall see. So this is my style every day. This is typically what I wear. T-shirt, some jeans, that's it. Nothing too fancy. So let's get fancy now with StitchFix. Okay, so these are the Tuesday low-rise indigo jeans, and the jeans are $79. And then the shirt, the clear embroidery detail top, and the top is $108. It's really cute. The top is cute. The jeans are okay. I really like them, but they're a little tight. They're supposed to be skinny jeans, so I guess they're supposed to be that way, so I'm not 100% sure. The shirt is cute, but again, I'm not 100% sure. So let's try on something else. This is the Jonesman one shoulder knit top by Kaylee, and it costs $34. And then this is the Sabina linked necklace in silver, and this is by Bancroft, and it is $28. And it's cute. I'm not really a necklace person, but I really kind of like that. And this shirt is really comfortable. Doesn't look too clingy. I'm not sure how I like my shoulder exposed, but it is comfy. And it's long, so it covers the areas that I get a little self-conscious of, which I like. And I like that the sleeves are longer. That's kind of cool too. That one is, again, I don't know, haven't decided. Have to decide. Have to watch to the end and see what I decide that I'm going to keep from StitchFix. So this is the Giorgino button-down shirt from Cloth & Stone. The shirt feels really nice. I really like it. This is my style. This is what I would wear going out. It's comfortable, it's cute for me, and I like it. So this shirt I will be keeping. This shirt is $78. I really like this one, and I like that it's a little bit longer in the back, and I think I'm actually going to wear this to the horse show today, which you guys have already seen that vlog because that came out on Monday. I like this. It's very comfortable. It's cute. I don't feel like any places that I don't want to show are showing, and I like it. And it's really fun because I did like trying on the other pieces. I did like the jeans, but I felt that they were a little too tight for me and kind of accentuated things that I didn't really want to accentuate. So while they're cute, I will be sending these back. This I'm definitely keeping. The Giorgino button-down shirt I'm definitely keeping. The layered necklace, I am going to keep that, but I think I'm going to use that as a gift because I know somebody that would be perfect for and they would love it. And this knit shirt, I do kind of like that, so I think I might be keeping that one. And the clear embroidery detail top, that was cute. I just don't think I'll wear it a whole lot, so I think that one will be going back as well. It is kind of cute, but again, this one was $108, and to me that's just a little bit more than I'm willing to spend for a blouse. So that one will be going back too, but it is pretty. So out of all of those things, I've already paid the $20 styling fee, but then I'm going to keep this shirt, and the necklace. So that comes to $140 minus the $20 credit, which was my styling fee, so that's $120. And StitchFix is really fun. You get to try on clothes that someone else has picked out for you, and you never know, you might like them, like I like this shirt, or you might not. And they have different price points that you can choose. One of the things I really like about StitchFix is I get to try the clothes on in my own home, see how they look on me under my own lights, and make sure that I'm happy with them before I commit to purchasing them. And if you share StitchFix with others, then you get a bonus, and the person that is trying out StitchFix for the first time gets a bonus too. So I'm going to leave my referral link down in the description box below if you want to give StitchFix a try. I really like it. I think it's fun. Not something I'm going to do all of the time because even though they're beautiful, some of their things are pretty expensive and not really in my price range. But they do have different price ranges that you can fit into. So if you ever wanted to try letting somebody else style you, pick out your clothes for you, it's a really fun process. And you get a surprise box in the mail. And if you've been around my channel for any length of time, you know that I love getting surprises in the mail. So try out StitchFix, see what you think. There's no long-term commitment. You can do it as often or infrequently as you want. So even if you are an equestrian, sometimes it's nice to have clothes that aren't always equestrian related. And that's why I've decided to give StitchFix a try. And if you'd like to watch more of my product review videos, DIY projects, and learn how you can be a budget equestrian, be sure to click the little subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.